Guys, I will show you the basic tools of EvoluteTools for Rhino. So you can see all the tools are up here. Unfortunately, only half of these work for the Lite version. So, but that's okay because the important ones are all that matters for this one. The important ones work for Lite. So we will start with, let me show you the basic concepts here. So EvoluteTools is really good for panelization and optimization. So easy ways for panels to be placed over a complex surface, for construction, so they can hang up the panels and stuff. And then optimization allows this form to be taken, and also this optimization can be used for freeforming, and I will show you guys that a little bit later. So let's start out with drawing a square. Alright, so put this on shaded. Alright, so you start with this tool Subdivide right here. So you click Subdivide, and after this loads, I will show you. So there's different rules up here, and the Callum-Clark one is the best for squares and rectangles. So I'll click that, push Enter, and now it'll go. So and then you have a mesh here. You can drag it out, and I will subdivide this again. Same one, push Enter. And I'll drag it out again, and then I'll do it one more time. So Callum-Clark, there we go. This one, all right, pull it out. So we can do that. Another interesting thing, this is called parent to child meshing, something like that. So as you can see, this is the parent to all these ones. This is the parent to this one, to this one, to this one. This one is the parent to this one, to this one. So if I turn on this button right here, show subdivision dependencies, so you can see the parent is always the lowest number. So this one spawned all these right here. So you push Enter to turn that off. And then let me turn the points on. Turn the points on this one. Alright, so if you see, you drag these points here. All of them will be changed. That all the child ones will be changed. But if I turn the points off and turn them on for this one, so you can see if you do this to this one, it'll only drag to the child one from the parent, so not the other way around. So that's important to note. So let's turn the points off, and let me show you some little other basic tools. So here we take this mesh here, some other tools over here. It's the deleting tools, so we can maybe delete a mesh edge line, push Enter. You can delete each one of these faces, so I'll do that again to show you here. Delete that one if you want. And these ones, you can delete a point with all lines around it. So this one will just take a hole out of it actually, so you can do that, or you can delete a whole polyline. So it deletes the whole line there. Same with these tools, but opposite of deleting would be putting them in. So we can like undo that. We can go like this and put it right through it, or we can do just one line, fill this back in. Hopefully, well, that might not do it. Let's see here. Oh, I don't know how to put that one back in, but I guess you can't put in these ones. All right, so I'll put one over here maybe. Oh, yeah, I'm not sure about that. I don't know, but I'm out on this diagonal line, so we can put a diagonal one in. You can see it goes to the child one, and you can just put one in if you want. There you go. Alright, let me show you the triangle real quick. Alright, so let's make another let's make a triangle here. 3D face. Oops. Alright, so there's the triangle. So I'll show you once we subdivide here. So let me show you Callum-Clark. So we do this, cuts it up pretty nicely, just in a different way. Let me show you what the other one rule does. So let's do loop. Sorry, let me try that again. Don't think it's gonna work though. Hang on one second. I'll try another rule. So subdivide. Let's do square root. Oh, okay, it's on this one over here. As you can see, it keeps messing it up a little bit. Let's say subdivide again. Let's do diagonalize. God damn it. That's okay. Alright, so let's do that. Okay, let's try this again. Subdivide, we'll use... I thought loop was going to work. Okay, there we go, yeah. Okay, so you can see, take this mesh out, like I showed you guys. It keeps smoothing it, so to subdivide it again, it'll keep smoothing it, and this is probably not what you want. So let me show you. So delete those. You can these tools over here will fix, set certain properties for the shape. So I will set the vertices right here. Push enter, and now I subdivided the loop rule, and now it'll give you a nice clean 4 triangles in one. So let's do that again. Keep dragging it out. Oops. And maybe we'll do diagonalize, see what happens here. That's pretty cool. So really this is just this is the basics to get more complex in the next tutorial. This is a way to set up your kind of paneling if you're trying to figure out a paneling for some kind of shape you're doing. So I think that is the basic tutorial for the just the shape setup and stuff like that. So I will see you guys in the next one. All right.